Right, time to get sporty. And 3,000 meters steeplechase record holder Beatrice Chepkoech won the 5,000 meters race at the 2024 trials held at the Nyayo National Stadium. In the men's 1,500 meters final, Brian Komen finished ahead of Abel Kipsang, clocking a time of 3 minutes and 38.36 seconds. In the women's high jump, Lokira Nusra won.
I'm not training for somebody else. Me, I'm training for time. I'm training to beat time. That's my focus.
As they head towards the last bend of this one, Evans Keitany falling to third, but it's now Dismas Lokira checking again. Where is Francis? Dismas streams away from Evans, and of course it is Dismas of KDF who will be winning the 10,000 meters here at the Nyayo National Stadium. We'll be looking at the time, 28.3.
And Steamer Darts Club jetted back to the country after